Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly and I am back with another video. Happy New Year. This video is a video where I am doing a protective style. So here it is. Here I am just clearing out my hair so that I'll be able to go ahead and take some of the knots of my hair so that I could be able to put my hair in one. Yeah, so earlier I had blow dried my hair using the Revlon hairbrush. If you haven't gotten that brush yet and you are natural, I highly recommend that you go ahead and purchase that brush. I did get mine off of Amazon. When I said that brush makes your hair combing process go by very quickly, listen, if you ain't get nothing out of this video, make sure you do go ahead and grab you one of those hair dryers. I'll go ahead and link it in the down in the description box below as well so that you can have access to it. And girlfriend, you will thank me later. So this is just me, giving myself the thumbs up because hey, if you're a naturalista like me, then pep talk is a must. You have to be giving yourself a pat on the back because it's a lot of work. To be honest, it's a lot of work. And that's why most times us natural girls, we tuck our hair away. We would try the protective styles because managing our own hair is a lot. And we do our beautiful hair, but sometimes it's a lot to manage, to be honest. So here it is. I was able to go ahead and twist the hair. I am using braiding hair from my local beauty supply store. So what I'm doing now is just wrapping it around so that it can look like one big knot. So I'm taking it around again. So I'm just pulling it so that it can be secure a little bit more. And here it is now. I'm just going to go ahead and push that